In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an Evernote notebook. Evernote is a fantastic tool for organizing your thoughts, notes, and tasks in a digital format, but sometimes you'll want a physical copy of your notes. Whether it's for a meeting, study session, or personal archive, printing your Evernote notebook is a straightforward task once you know the steps. So, let's dive in and walk through this process together. First things first, you'll need to locate the notebook you wish to print. This can be easily done by navigating to the sidebar on the left side of your Evernote interface. Take a moment to browse through the list of notebooks and identify the one you want to print. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the notebook name. You'll notice a three-dot icon will appear next to it. This is the More Actions menu. Go ahead and click on these three dots. This action pulls up additional options related to the notebook. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select the Print Notebook option. This choice will prepare all the notes in your selected notebook for the printing process. Now that you've chosen to print the notebook, you'll be presented with some options that will allow you to customize how your printed notes will appear. You can choose your preferred page size, which could range from standard letter size to A4 depending on your needs. Additionally, decide on the page orientation. Do you want your notes in portrait or landscape layout? Both options have their uses, so choose whichever best suits your presentation or organizational style. You also have the chance to set margins to ensure that the text doesn't run too close to the edge of the paper, which can be particularly useful for binding purposes or simply for aesthetic reasons. If you think it might be handy to have a reference for each page, consider adding page numbers. Finally, think about the order of your notes. Is there a specific sequence you'd like them printed in? Adjust these settings to ensure that the printed version meets your expectations perfectly. Once you're satisfied with your page setting choices, it's time to move forward by clicking the Export button. Doing so will generate a single PDF file containing all the notes from your selected notebook. This PDF serves as the print-ready version of your notebook. You can now send this file to a printer or keep it stored digitally for future reference. Congratulations! You've successfully prepared your Evernote notebook for printing. And there you have it. We've navigated through the Evernote interface to locate, prepare, and export a notebook for printing. With this step-by-step guide, you're now equipped to create physical copies of your digital notes anytime you need them. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.